Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, so be cautious. And I'm anticipating that the price can be a little volatile today. Let's move to the charts. As we move into the charts, this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that while moving up, the price had left this DPR. So I'm anticipating now that the price can return back to mitigate this BPR because it is untested level. So most likely we are going to come back all the way down till here. So let's move to the weeklies to see if we are having similar scenarios as per our narrative or not. So this is the weekly chart, and what we can see here is that the price had respected this FVG and we moved into the upside direction, but delete it. But what happened was this was the POI, or the point of reaction from where the price could have gone into the downward side. We didn't disrespect it. Actually, we moved into the upside direction and closed below it. Now, it's 1 day and 18 hours left, and we are already moving into the downward direction after the half week has already passed. So I'm anticipating the last point from where the price can actually react to is this week or the week of the smaller time frame. So let's move to the dailies to see what do we have in here. Till now, we are confirmed that our bias is bearish into the market right now. So into the daily levels, what we can see is that everything here is mitigated because this was the last FVG left for the price into the dailies, and it was the order flow which I was anticipating that it could be one of the area of reaction, but the price didn't react to it. Rather, we pushed all the way down till this levels. So we are clearly bearish because not that we have disrespected this FVG, we are also making BPR over here, which is a sign of a sharp turn, which means that the price had sprung into the opposite direction, disrespecting the previous BPR and creating a huge gap while moving down. So I'm anticipating that we'll be bearish into the lower levels too. Let's see how 4-hour is according to our narrative. So this is the 4-hour chart and it is quite messy. Let me delete things up. So into the 4-hour, what we can see is that this was my POI, which I had anticipated before. And what happened into the price? Let me delete it first. This was the POI because this was the last candle which was unmitigated by the market and the price moved into the upside direction. So I was anticipating that most likely we are going to get a reaction into upside direction from this POI level. But what happened here was the price was sweeping the lows, and at the end when the price hit the POI, it closed below the previous swept low. So this was a red signal for me, and I kind of anticipated that it is low probability trade over here now. So now what do we have is that the price has already been moving into the downward direction since this up above levels. So what do we have here is this area of flip zone, which was possibly which was possibly a reaction zone for the price to move into the upside direction. Now the order has already flipped from this zone into the downward side, so I'm not anticipating that the price is going to go higher than this candle's high. And why only this candle's high? Because this candle broke the low of the previous swept lows. So now I'm anticipating that we are going to move into the upside direction, mitigate something over here, or let's say we are going to tap the 50% of it, and then we are going to continue our journey to the downward side all the way down till this level. And why this level only? Because it is the unmitigated low of the daily FVG, I mean, daily wick. So, one more reason behind this POI is that after the price moved into the upside direction, we broke some kind of a strong high and it is following an order flow into the price. So currently, I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to come all the way down, and then if we are having any scenarios of going up, the price is going to react from this area. Till this level, I'll be bearish into the market. And for today's bias, let's move to the 1 hours. And for today's bias, I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction, and we are going to have this 50% of this overall move, and then we are going to come down and take this low too. So for today's bias, let's move to the 15 minutes to decide this session manipulation into the price, that is accumulation, manipulation and distribution. So here we can see that it is already in Asia session. The price is already in Asia session, and I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to go into the upside direction, take the Asia sessions high. Let's mark it. Take the Asia sessions high, and then come all the way down, take this low or to this extreme POI. So this is my today's bias. Do write me into the comments if you have any doubts or if something is not clear in my explanations. And for any suggestions, of course, the comment section is already open. Till then, keep trading and keep learning. Thank you for watching.